This is Guy M. Lerner, president of ARL Advisors and publisher of the Tactical Beta website. This is your chart of the week, brought to you by your online financial advisor, ARL Advisors. That's www.arladvisors.com. Everything you need to open an account with us can be found at www.arladvisors.com. This week's chart is a weekly chart of the Market Vector Gold Miners ETF, symbol GDX. The red and black dots on the chart are key pivot points, which are the best areas of buying and selling or support and resistance. The red labeled bars are positive divergence bars. These identify areas of slowing downside momentum, and this is your 40-week moving average. A long time ago, in 2011, GDX attempted to break out from a prolonged period of price consolidation. This breakout was a failure, as price broke back below all these key pivot points and the 40-week moving average, all in 1 week. That signal of trouble to come was almost 18 months ago. Since then, GDX has broken through support levels at $55, found support at $41.83, where it should have done so, retested resistance or old support at $55. GDX now finds itself back at the $41.83 support level. Friday's close was at $41.90. Talk about having better tools. For GDX, it has been a long ride to find itself back at support levels, which represents a good low-risk entry point from a technical perspective. From a technical perspective, what do I mean? And what about the fundamentals? By technical, I mean that you would be buying at support levels, and a weekly close below this level would suggest a continuation of the downtrend and a reason to sell. Thus, buying at support means you are buying near your stop-loss point, and we should know relatively quickly our success or failure in this endeavor. In terms of fundamentals, there's a high degree of correlation between gold and GDX. As I define it, the fundamentals, for example, rising interest rates for gold, have not been favorable for 4 weeks now. Yet technically, gold remains in a bull market. To learn more about my thoughts on gold, view the webinar I did on the precious metal only 1 short week ago. To summarize, GDX finds itself at support, which is a good low-risk entry point. For brave investors, this would be a good place to nibble on GDX. Considering the current fundamentals and the volatility of GDX, I would make this a nibble as opposed to a big bite. If GDX finds buyers at these levels, then I would look for price to bounce back to the 40-week moving average at $47 and the $48.74 resistance level. This has been Guy Lerner, bringing you your chart of the week, brought to you by your online financial advisors, www.arladvisors.com.